Previously,
fans spin, everything seems to be turning on. However, we get a red CPU light over here. If the CPU for some reason is a dud or defective, it'll give that light. Fan connected just to check if we are getting any power. There is no change, so at this point, we can safely say that the CPU was the issue. Alright, it's a different day. We have our desktop here, we've been testing it, we've seen great results. And now we're going to install the CPU that's going to be there. It's an AMD Ryzen 7 9800 X3D. So first off, we need to remove our cooler, just as we've done in the past, take out our CPU and install this new CPU. So let's get started. So we have here a Zotac Gaming GeForce RTX 5090 32GB GPU, which we're going to be installing here right now. We have Windows chime sound, which is amazing. It's what we want to see. And we have the user. So we have done it. We have gotten our computer up and running. GPU is going. We have boot into the user's account, and we're just gonna finish up here testing and making sure that everything looks great. For all your computer needs, stop by here and see me, Isabel, at Leon's Computers in Selma.